Time for a struggle challenge. Let's see if I can solve a problem today. I bought tons of PB&J, but my kids are getting sick of plain old sandwiches. What else can I make with that they'll still take in their lunches? PB&J is like so awesome. I gotta see what else you've got to work with, but chances are we can come up with something pretty inventive. To the mini fridge. As advertised, this is the P and the B and the J. And we've got grape jelly, we've got strawberry jelly, we've got creamy peanut butter, and we've got chunky peanut butter. So I'm thinking if convenience is taken out of the equation, the combination of peanut butter and jelly really works best when it's like with a baked good. I think we're making some kind of quick rise baked good. Quick rise, just said it. Muffins. Peanut butter muffins with jelly centers. It's portable, it's handheld, we can make them now, we can eat them much later. It's a whole new vehicle for PB&J. We probably have everything we need right here, right now. Oh yeah. Let's do this. I've never made a muffin in my life. Some risers here, baking powder, baking soda, some sugar. Definitely gonna need some sugar. We're gonna need some flour. Okay, let's see what we got in the fridge. Get some wet ingredients. Eggs, buttermilk, butter, you never know. Butter could be good. All right, we got eggs. Buttermilk. We don't need butter. Oil's easier. I don't have to melt this that way. Goodbye, butter. Got our fillers, peanut butter and jelly. I'm excited. Let's see what happens. Let's get this oven on. 400. Starting off with the flour. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of salt. Allows the sweet to be sweeter. Salt is good. I've always kind of been a fan of a 1 cup to 1 teaspoon baking powder ratio. An often overlooked step is taking these dry ingredients and making sure they're all combined together, you know? So you gotta just kind of do it. Let's get some wet ingredients going. We're gonna try to do the double egg crack. Buttermilk. And sugar. Perfect. Whisk this up. I'm gonna go with the smooth peanut butter here. Let's see how much peanut butter it can take. Turns out this is a great way to use up a whole lot of peanut butter. I think we'll add a little bit of the veg oil in here too. Look at that, perfectly homogeneous. Coming in with some of these dry ingredients here. I'm gonna do like 1/3 of it, try to mix it real nice. Oh, that's pretty satisfying. Switching to a spatula. All right, so I'm mixing it in. We need a muffin tin. We take a spoonful, we put it in, we fill them like part of the way, pop some jelly on top of them. I have to get more batter on top, but the batter's pretty thick. Oh, I'm probably gonna use up all the batter, which is pretty incredible, I have to say. I'm popping these in the oven until they turn into muffins. It's probably gonna take about 20 minutes. I've let these cool a little bit. Now I'm gonna see if I can get them out of the pan. That one looks nice. It's time for the presentation score. They could look better. There's a lot of potential. So I'm giving it a 7 out of 10 on looks. We could have done so many things. So I'm just curious what the center part looks like. So we'll just pop one open here. Oh, that's kind of sad. So let's take a bite here and see what it tastes like. I bite into it and immediately I get hit with the jelly. I love that. It's a sensation of a jelly donut. And then the muffin or scone or whatever it is very peanut buttery, but less peanut buttery than I'd think it would be. Like, I could have finished these with peanut butter on top. I could take more peanut butter, I gotta say. So I'm gonna give it an 8 on flavor because there's room for improvement. But let me tell you something. You stick this into your kids' lunch boxes, they're gonna have a lot of fun with the peanut butter and jelly that they're sick of eating on sandwich bread. Despite the fact we have a 75% score, this challenge is a success. And for that, I thank you for this challenge.